This video is part of a Google Form quiz that teachers can assign to their students for homework. After the students submit their answers, then they can play a video like this one to see the answer explained. We've made more than 100 quizzes as Google Forms with free access videos, which teachers are welcome to copy for free. To get access to these, please see the link in the description. This video is based on a question from an actual state exam. You may have one like this on your state exam. If you've not already watched the video on an introduction to coordinates, then we suggest that you watch that video before watching this one. Jack measures his bean plant weekly. The table shows the growth of the bean plant over 4 weeks. Please select the graph that matches the data in the table. This is a table. Each row of the table shows an ordered pair that tells us where to graph one point. Sometimes, each ordered pair is called a point's coordinates. This table has coordinates for 4 different points. For each point, the number on the left is the number of the week. The number on the right is the height of the plant in centimeters. Here's the grid that we'll use to plot these 4 points. Each arrow is called an axis. The bottom arrow is called the week axis. It's like a number line. The left arrow is called the measurement axis. It's also like a number line. Let's plot the purple point. The purple point has a week value of 1. We'll circle the number 1 on the week axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire line that has a value of 1. The purple point has a measurement of 5 centimeters. We'll circle the number 5 on the measurement axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire measurement line that has a value of 5. Next, we find the place where these 2 highlighted lines cross. That place is where the purple point goes. Let's plot the pink point. The pink point has a week value of 2. We'll circle the number 2 on the week axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire week line that has a value of 2. The pink point has a measurement of 7 centimeters. We'll circle the number 7 on the measurement axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire measurement line that has a value of 7. Next, we find the place where these 2 highlighted lines cross. That place is where the pink point goes. Let's plot the blue point. The blue point has a week value of 3. We'll circle the number 3 on the week axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire week line that has a value of 3. The blue point has a measurement of 11 centimeters. We'll circle the number 11 on the measurement axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire measurement line that has a value of 11. Next, we find the place where these 2 highlighted lines cross. That place is where the blue point goes. Let's plot the brown point. The brown point has a week value of 4. We'll circle the number 4 on the week axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire week line that has a value of 4. The brown point has a measurement of 14 centimeters. We'll circle the number 14 on the measurement axis. Then, we'll highlight the entire measurement line that has a value of 14. Next, we find the place where these 2 highlighted lines cross. That place is where the brown point goes. Now we can connect the dots. We start on the left and move to the right. This is our completed graph. It shows all of the points plotted on the grid. Let's return to the question. We'll put a picture of our graph on the screen. Choice C looks the same as our graph. Choice C is correct. Thanks for your attention.